Hi guys, I am Kunal Jadhav. Welcome to my YouTube channel KJ.tutorial. Today we will learn about comment lines and print statement. Without wasting any time, let's go to my computer screen.
Now let's see what are comment lines. Lines which can be used to make the code more readable to coder is comment line. Python don't consider these lines in compilation process. Compilation means converting your code to machine understandable code. Comment lines are classified into two parts, single line comment or multiple line comment. To write single line comment, you can use hash and your line, or you can use the key combination of control and slash. For multiple line comment, you can use hash on each line, or you can use delimiter, and in those delimiters you can write your lines. Now let's talk about syntax. The structure of statement in computer language is called as a syntax. How to find syntax in Python? First, Google it. Or with the help of Python, or the simplest method using PyCharm. Now let's talk about print statement. It is a statement which can be used to send output of your code to the standard output unit of your computer system. Standard output unit can be your monitor or your printer. Then let's see parameters in print statement. Object, sep, end, file, flush, these are the parameters in print statement. Now let's talk about object. Object in print statement is the value we want to print. Now let's print hello world. Hello world is your object. Object can be anything like string, int or float. String. String is a data type or class used to represent text in a programming. Example name, place, phrases, line, anything in the form of text is string. Int is a data type or class used to represent number in programming language. Example 1, 2, 3, 100, 1000. These are the examples of int. Now let's talk about float. Float is a data type or class used to represent decimal number in programming. Example 1.75, 100.88, 5.97 and much more. Now let's talk about sep. To print values separated by symbols comma or at the rate or hyphen or underscore, we use sep. Now if I just write print Om, John and Roy and run it, my output is Om space John space Roy. Now if I want to add commas in between them, then I will have to use sep parameter. For that, click here, sep is equals to comma and run the program. And the output is Om, John, Roy. Now let's talk about end. To print multiple print statements separated by symbols on the same line like comma, at the rate, underscore, we use end parameter. Today's question 1 is using print statement, write I am learning Python. Today's second question is using print statement, print this. Today's third question is using print statement, print this. And the homework question for today is using print statement, print the first letter of your name as we did with S in previous example.
I hope you all have understood whatever I taught you today. Do solve homework question and comment your codes or your doubts in comment section. See you in the next video where we will learn about input statements in Python. Till then, stay safe, stay home And the most important thing is, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel kj.tutorial.